Unlocking the power of speech. Mastering the focused tone. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing aspect of language, the focused tone. This element of speech can change how your message is received, making understanding it crucial for effective communication. Focused tone refers to the deliberate use of voice to emphasize a particular part of a message. It's not about being loud, it's about being clear and direct with your intention. Think of it as the spotlight in a play, shining brightest on the most important character in a scene. Using a focused tone allows you to highlight key points and ensure they stand out in your listener's mind. It can be used to convey certainty, urgency, or importance, and it helps in situations where you need to be persuasive or authoritative. Let's look at some examples. I need this done by tomorrow. The focus on need increases the urgency. She was the best candidate for the job. The emphasis on best underlines the comparison. Improving your focused tone involves practice. Here are some tips. Record yourself speaking and listen for clarity. Practice emphasizing different words in a sentence to see how it changes the meaning. Read aloud regularly, paying attention to natural points of emphasis. And that's a wrap on focused tones. Remember, the power of your speech lies in your ability to control and direct the listener's attention. Use the focused tone wisely, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a more effective communicator. Happy speaking!